So here we are on the Targa 43. We're now running on the generator power. As you can see, gen sets on. This is the part of the switching system we've had to rebuild. The generator looks to be running about 220, which is a little bit on the low side for UK use. On our cycle meter here, so he's running at 53 Hertz, 54 cycles, which is within tolerance. And if we go back over here, I'll transfer back to shore power. You see the shore voltage is quite a bit higher, running about 245 volts there. Power available light, new RCD, new changeover switch, and we're good to go. Somewhat of a challenge, a difficult boat to work on. So there we are, good to go. Thank you very much.